I'll show you how you can zoom in, zoom out, and pan around any widget, for example, image, container, etc. using InteractiveViewer widget. First of all, let's take an image and save it in the assets folder. Now add that image to the pubspec.yaml file and run the Flutter fubget. Coming back to our main file, passing the center widget to the body of the scaffold.
Do you want to have your Flutter app, website or backend server completely developed in a high professional manner instead of developing it on your own? Then simply go to heyflutter.com/app and we will develop this app for you.
Passing the image path from the assets folder to the image.asset, and all we need to do is to wrap the image.assets widget with the InteractiveViewer, and we are done. Here you can see that we can zoom in, zoom out and pan around the image in our application. Now we know that what the widget does and how to use it, so let's explore what it is capable of. So the first property of the InteractiveViewer widget is a max scale, which is one of the most used property of this widget, and it represents how much you can stretch the image. Another property of the InteractiveViewer widget is a min scale, which works completely opposite to the max scale. However, it takes a double value as well, and it represents how much you can squeeze an image. Moving forward to the next property, which is boundary margin, and it helps us to keep a certain margin between the corners of the image and the viewport boundaries of our device. If we give infinity.double, we can see that we can pan around the image in the parent size of the image. We can zoom out and zoom in and also pan it around inside the boundary margin.